Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Terem Beads and Craft, and today we are going to create an elegant beaded Alice band. This is a simple and fun project that you can customize in so many ways. Whether you're using green stone beads like I am today or beautiful crystal beads, the result will be stunning. We are going to start by stringing all of our beads onto a length of fishing line. This step is important because it makes the wrapping process much smoother. You will want to string enough beads to cover the entire length of your Alice band. Make sure the beads are evenly spaced so that when we start wrapping, the band will look consistent. Ensure you add additional fishing line to leave room for the wrapping. Once you've got all your beads strung, it's time to start wrapping. Take your fishing line with the beads and wrap it around the Alice band. You want to use 1 or 2 or 3 beads to cover the width of the band, depending on the size of the beads, like you see me doing here. Apply your UHU glue and then place your fishing line over it and continue to wrap. After covering the width, wrap the fishing line around the band once or twice more to secure the beads in place before moving on to the next section. Now continue this process, wrapping and securing until you've covered the entire surface of the Alice band. As you can see, our Alice band is completely covered with beads. It looks beautiful, but we are not quite done yet. You may decide to add some glue and use beads to cover some parts you may have left uncovered. but it's completely up to you. Now, to give this a professional finish, we need to cover the underside where the fishing line is exposed. For this, I'm going to be using a bias ribbon. Apply a thin layer of glue along the underside of the band, then carefully place the bias ribbon over it. Smooth it down to make sure it's secure. If you don't have a bias ribbon, you can also use trimmings of a similar size to cover this area. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. A big thank you to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate your support and I'm excited to share more amazing projects with you all. Please remember to give this video a like. Now cover it up neatly. You want to take your time to ensure it's well done. Place the bias ribbon underneath and fold the edges. And there you have it, your elegant beaded Alice band, perfect for any occasion. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Happy crafting!